Welcome to Network on Beat. I am Sabir Ahmed Khan. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Okay, first I showing you how to your existing printer removed from your Windows 10. First I go to printer and scanner and finding which I want to remove. Okay, remove this device and yes. Okay, it's gone. Now I'm showing how to add new printer in your PC. My printer IP this. So now I go to printer and scanner, search printer and scanner and click and add printer scanner. I click this list is not available. Now click TCP/IP next and given IP and also I paste my printer port 3911 and then click next. Wait sometimes then your printer is will be added. Okay viewers, if you like my video please subscribe my channel.